Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to today's day trading journal. Hope you've all had a good day in the markets and also a good start to the week. We've had some great opportunities both today and yesterday. And what we're going to do in this video, as always, we're just going to go over the setups that presented themselves and just show you how you should have played it or how you could have played it. Just in case you were sat on the sidelines or in case you got some different results to us. And hopefully these journals here will obviously help you become a better trader and get up to grips with the system and stuff a lot quicker. So without further ado, let's jump over to the charts and see what it was that set up this morning and how you should have played them. So we'll begin by looking at the line charts because this is where the first opportunity presented itself. If we zoom in here on the DAX 4 range chart, you will be able to see the price action absolutely perfectly. So what happened is the market broke up this morning. It then went sideways for a bit and then started to pull off, at which point it then broke down beneath the moving average. Okay, and you could have taken this as an opportunity to go short. I actually didn't get involved in this one here. I had a funny feeling that the market was going to continue to go higher. Obviously, it's been playing with a support area for quite a while, so my bias was very much to the upside. So I missed this first opportunity to go short too, even though that would have made you some nice money there. However, the opportunity that I did get involved in was this one here. So the market broke down. It then gave us a pullback. Okay, it then it gave another attempt to break lower, and it didn't manage to break low. And these are one of our favorite setups. As you know, when we're looking at the line charts, we're always looking for the energy build up of the market, right? We want to see, how is the market reacting to levels? When it's breaking down, is it breaking down with momentum? And we're always looking for clues as to what direction is the market going to go in. And what this is telling us here, if we talk this through, is the market's broken through this moving average. There's momentum to the downside. So really and truly, if it wanted to go lower, this is a great opportunity to sort of gather some steam and break beneath this low over here and start looking towards these lows down here. But the market didn't do that. Okay, it did give an attempt to break through the lows. That was weak. All right, then gave another little minor attempt. It then started to break back up. And this sort of price action here tells us that actually the market doesn't want to go low, because if it did want to go lower, it would have used that as an opportunity right there to take it much, much lower, but it didn't do that. It then broke out above this level, at which point we were in there. Okay, so we got our entry initially, or eventually rather, at 105.39. So about a pip or so, a point or so above that level there. We wanted to get in a bit sooner, but just didn't manage it. Your stops would have been below these lows here. Reality is you probably wouldn't have taken a stop that far, because that is quite a way away from the markets, and obviously there'll be other swings that would allow you to move your stop up behind it. But that was where the initial stop was, behind this level here. The market then moves off in our direction. It then starts to go sideways a little bit, and I ended up taking profit way, way, way too early at around the 105.49 level. So a 10-point profit, which is a nice thing, obviously, but I was hoping that it was going to go much further up to this level here. However, if we jump across to the range charts for a moment, so this chart over here, we then did get another opportunity to buy the market, which I was all over and was not about to miss, and that's this one here. So what happened was the market, and let's zoom in there again. Okay, so the market had showed us its hand. In my opinion, the market had showed us that it wanted to go high. Just looking at this energy over here, the market then started to pull back. The pullback wasn't as pretty as it could have been, but because I was sort of, if you look back to the Forex Focus of this week where we talked about the DAX, I said that I thought that it was going to go higher. So I really was behind this idea of the market moving up. I wanted to get involved in this opportunity here. Drew a trend line across, got in on a break of the trend line. Obviously, all of the usual stuff was also aligned there. So the CCI, the Williams percentage R, all in the right place. Got involved there, stopped beneath the lows there. We're in there at about 51. And eventually took profit when the market started to pull back over here. And I think we got out eventually at 80. So not a bad morning at all. Obviously, there were some things that we could have played better. I should have held the initial line break for a little bit longer, and I wouldn't have had to get involved in that other trade, and it would have amounted essentially to the same thing, because I got out where I got back in anyway, and then got out in the end where I would have got out anyway, if that makes any sense. But, I'm the sort of trader where if the market starts to go against me, I don't really like holding it. All right. I'm not one of those people that can hold it through all of these swings. We have members that do. Mr. Shawnee is one of them. He can just put on a trade, set and forget, walk when he's happy with the market fluctuations, and he just leaves them to go towards his profit targets. But I'm not one of those people that can do that. I kind of have to be in the trade. As soon as I think it's going against me, I come out of the trade. But you'll all find your own way of doing this, right? Obviously, we've given you the strategies to be able to get into the markets. We've shown you how we exit the market. But you will find what's comfortable for you. And that's what's so important about day trading, okay? So as I said, not a bad morning, nice start to the week. Hopefully this continues throughout the rest of the week, but we will see. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Really appreciate your time, and I'll speak to you in the next Day Trading Journal. So take care now.